Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create cheetah print nails that are super easy and fun. Start with a base coat. Next, apply 2 to 3 coats of a beige nail polish for the base color of your nails. You will need something to use as a palette for your nail polish. Today I'm using a plastic lid. Apply a drop of black polish and a drop of dark brown polish to use for the nail art. Use a dotting tool or bobby pin to create larger dots or clusters of dots around the nail. Make sure you leave a pretty good amount of space in between them. This is using the dark brown polish. Dip your dotting tool, toothpick, or bobby pin into black polish and start to outline the dark brown dots. To do this, you can make 2 half circle shapes on either side, or you can make one big C. You don't want the black to be surrounding the whole dark brown dot. The dark brown and black don't contrast as well in the video, but they do more in person. Once you are finished outlining the brown spots with black, take the black and start making little C shapes or polka dots around in the blank beige areas to finish the cheetah print. Lastly, wait for your design to dry, then lightly apply top coat and clean up around the edges of the nail with a small brush and nail polish remover. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see more nail art, I will link my nail art playlist in the cards. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye!